there, and thanks for your interest in Unit 377 here at Academy Ridge. You've asked for a quick video. That's exactly what I'm going to provide for you today. I'm going to run you through the unit quite quickly. If you've got any other questions, certainly get back in touch with us. We've just pressure washed out today this garage, so I'm not going to walk in there. What you need to know about this is they're fully finished, they're insulated. You've got automatic garage door opener, which is also hooked up to your Wi-Fi on your phone. Inside, you've got, maybe you can see the back side there on the left, you've got access to your natural gas forced air furnace, you've got your hot water tank. Anything there needs to be serviced or replaced. It's super easy because it's a nice big room, a little bit of storage. You've also got back door access, which takes you back onto a little green space back there. Pet friendly, you can sit back there and enjoy the sun as well. Windows are nice, LED lighting, but as I say, all finished off, which is a nice bonus. Your front door, right here, also fully controlled by either keypad or your telephone. You can be sitting on the beach anywhere in the world, open your garage or your front door. Your side entry door, typically you drive in, park your car, park your bicycles, whatever you're on, and come in through the side door. And you're going straight up the stairs here. So at the top of the stairs, super cute little two-piece bath. That allows your guests to stay on the main floor with you. And that's got a sink and a little water closet. All your window coverings are included. They're standard in all units. That keeps everybody looking consistent, nice and clean. And your kitchen, really an entertainer's kitchen here. It's the center of the floor here. You have got hard surface quartz counters as standard. They're not installed, but they're included, and that comes with Whirlpool stainless steel fridge, over-the-range microwave, a computerized digital flat top Whirlpool oven and cooktop. Your dishwasher is going to slide in there as well. All LED lighting in your 9-foot ceiling. That keeps everything cool. And of course, central air, mandatory in the Okanagan as well. Your sight lines off the front of your deck are, if you can see that, across the valley. The lands there have been donated by us back to the city of Kelowna, dedicated parkland on that. On your deck, you have, as everybody does, natural gas hookup for a barbecue, which we encourage you to have in the Okanagan, as well as power to run whatever you like out there. Stucco is acrylic. Looking back the other way. Nice and bright, windows front and back. Heading up the stairs, this takes you to the top floor where the bedrooms, laundry, full guest bath are located. Swinging the door open here. Again, hard tile surface. We don't cut any corners, and you're going to have a full-size Whirlpool stacker washer dryer in there. Often forgotten in homes these days, linen closet. This one here, we have not forgotten. Your bathroom, guest bath, is 4-piece in this case. His and her sinks, lots of covered space as you can see. This one comes hard surface floor again, and the tub has floor to ceiling tiling. Won't go into them, but you've got 1 bedroom, you've got 2 bedrooms. Both of those again, nice and bright, full-size windows. You turn around, separate for privacy is the master bath. You walk in, you've got his and her closets. You've got a ceiling fan controlled either by a hard switch or by remote on your wall, very small, but you've got power and your cable hookup. So if you want to put a wall bracket on there, hang a TV, it's in the exact right spot. 9-foot ceilings up here. And then we're coming back into a double sink for his and her again in this bathroom. You've got full tile and then a 10 mil nice shower tile all the way to the ceiling. And as I mentioned, that's 9 foot. So we're pet friendly here, no age restrictions, no rental restrictions. That's a quick video, but if you've got any other questions, we're here to help. 250-712-2222 is our direct number.